Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center a text box horizontally in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to center this text horizontally in this document. Zoom out the document, then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click bring forward, then choose bring to font. Then go to the home menu, then click draw text box. Then draw a text box over the page. Then click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click send to back. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple text box. Click the alignment option and choose center, then click middle. Now we can see we center a text box horizontally very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.